Good morning. New location on my channel unlocked. I am at my sister's house because I slept here last night because we're going on holiday. We're going on a family holiday. So let's get up and get ready to go.
Heavy, right? That your one's gonna have to go in the back, and we're gonna have to try and slam that shut somehow. Oh.
We met up with my mum and my other siblings at the car parking space for the airport, and we have just arrived at Stansted Airport. So now we need to head into the airport to go and drop our bags. Obviously it's very busy. There is 7 of us, including 2 little kids who are very excited and very nervous about being here for the first time. So yeah, I will go and check in my bags and then catch up with you when we're on the other side. Oh, my sister's coming. Maddie's on her way, one sec. Are you excited?
So excited.
Have I actually said where we're going? Yeah, I think so.
We're going to Morocco.
Marrakech.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling merry to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I packed my bags and now I'm gone somewhere between the sun and the deep sea. That's where we'll fly. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where we'll fly. Working on my fishing skills. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea.
We are about halfway there. Like I said, this is my little sister's first ever time on a plane. This is our first family holiday. And they're doing pretty well so far. Like, they're obviously a little bit bored, but they're doing a good job. But traveling with kids, hats off to anybody who travels with little children, because this is not for the weak. Like, this is work, baby. This is not my usual travel of put my headphones in, eye line down, off we go. But yeah, it's cute. And I'm excited for us all to have this family holiday together. We have never done anything like this before, even in the UK. Like, we obviously spend time together as a family, but we've never been on vacation together, so it's fun.
Cabin crew, doors to manual and cross transfer.
Wait, the lighting out here is kind of good. Okay, so we arrived at the hotel. I am out on our balcony. Our room is stunning, by the way. I'm going to give you a proper tour and everything tomorrow because we arrived at like 9:30 and the restaurant closed at 10. So we had to go there and then we had to check in, and then we came, sorted out our stuff, unpacked, helped my mum unpack with the girls. But oh my god, story time. So we were driving here, we got a taxi from the airport, and we just had this like random guy come up to us out in the taxi rank, and he was like, "Oh, taxi," and we were like, yeah. So then he took us and we went in this minibus, and he had like this massively cracked windscreen. There wasn't even enough seats for all of us. Like one of the girls had to sit on my brother's lap. And then we're not in like a, I don't know if this is all of Marrakech or if it's just like where we're staying, but we're not in like a really big like touristy like built up area. So we were like driving on these like back roads and like in the dark. None of us had any service. 3 of us, our phones were dead. And I was just like, this could be it. Like this guy could just be taking us and there's nothing we can do. We don't know where we are. There's nobody here. We don't have any signal. Obviously, we made it. We survived. We got to our hotel. And it is really stunning here. I'm really excited to see it all in the daytime tomorrow. But oh my God, it is absolutely boiling. It's boiling hot. Like I'm scared for tomorrow. It's supposed to be like 42 degrees Celsius this whole week. It's currently 30 degrees Celsius and it's almost 1 a.m. Oh God. That was the journey to get here. We are now here. We're here for 7 days. I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm super tired. It's been a really long day and I was working yesterday, so I didn't sleep until late yesterday. Woke up early this morning to get ready and blah blah blah. Been traveling all day, so I'm super tired. So I'm gonna go to sleep and I will see you in the morning.
Too early for that. You're up dressed and got socks on.
Good morning. It is time for breakfast. Mum got up early and went and reserved the perfect beds by the pool. So we're like by the big pool, but we're also by the little kiddie pool for my sisters. We're by the slides, but we're all quite hungry. So heading for breakfast and then gonna be able to show you a bit more of the hotel. Alright, we've made it to the pool. Everybody is SPF'd up. We're right next to the kiddie pool, so the girls are having fun over there. I'm already in the water because it is like 9:45 and it's already like 34 degrees. And I've got in the pool straight away because the sun lounger that I'm on is currently in the shade. Okay, I have taken a break from the pool and the sun because I have just done some therapy. I do therapy with my therapist on BetterHelp, who I really, really love. And I wasn't able to do therapy last week, so I didn't want to miss it this week, despite being on holiday. Taking care of your mental health is very important. But whilst I am here and the room is empty, because obviously everyone is enjoying the pool and the water slides, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to give you a little room tour of our room. So we are staying in the Labranda Targa Aquapark Hotel. It is an all-inclusive resort hotel. They have a restaurant, bars, water slides. It's super fun. We're in the family room, so we have this cool spot in the corner. So let's head over there. So this is like the main area, and then we're like tucked away in this little corner, which is stunning. So when you first walk in, you have these big like storage units on either side of this little walkway. So this is obviously where we're hanging up some of our clothes. Like I have some of my shirts in here. This is like so much storage, so much space. Really, really helpful, really clean, like very bright and airy. This is like the perfect little, what do they call it? It's not like a porch, I don't know. Like a little entryway, stunning little entryway. We also have this massive mirror, which we love. So we can all take little group selfies in here. And then in the family room, we actually have a separate toilet to the bathroom, which when you're 4 people in one room is very helpful. And that's actually my mum and sister's balcony just there, the third one along. So that's cool. My mum can like stick her head over and we can see her. So then this is our bathroom. It is really, really stunning. So spacious. Like this sink top area is massive. Like you've got all these different toiletry bags everywhere. Like this room is obviously for 4 people, but the way that it's designed is really amazing. Like I've never felt claustrophobic in any of our hotel room, which is amazing. I love hotel hairdryers. Like, is that not just the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Does it? Okay. Wait, that's good. Okay, that pressure is good. The shower pressure is amazing. Let me show you the shower pressure, because the shower that I had last night was literally 10 out of 10. Like it was so good. Like I actually had to turn the pressure down a little bit because I was like, wow, goddamn. Like that pressure is really quite something. And then you have the main part of the room, which is like obviously the living and sleeping area. So we have this big double bed here on this side, and then we have 2 single beds over here. We have this massive flat screen TV, which unfortunately for me, this is my bed. So then when I'm laying in bed, like trying to read or just scroll on my phone, if they're watching TV, the speakers are actually here underneath the TV. So the sound is literally like coming directly onto my face. The bed is really comfy. Like it's a nice firm, but like soft mattress. That doesn't make sense, but like it's very supportive and really nice. The pillows are really thick. We have a little mini fridge in here. Like it's really a vibe. And oh, and then this is our balcony, which is like this big, oh, I can't, there we go. Which is like this big square balcony. Let me show you because it's really nice. So this is our balcony, like this little corner unit situation. I don't know if this is an adult only pool or if it's like a reserved for like people who are in a suite, because they have different towels than we do. I don't really know. Stunning though. And then yeah, we've got this. And it's just so gorgeous. And I absolutely love it here. I will try and take some like more close-up videos to show you more of like the details of the room and stuff. But this is our little room tour. Now I am gonna head back down to the pool to go meet up with my family so that we can all go for lunch. And then I promised after lunch I would take my little sisters on the water slides. So I need to do that. Okay, right before lunch, my mum actually came here to get changed, so I've been let into the room, but I don't want to be late for the family lunch, so we're going to do a speed round. 2102, 3, 2, 1, here we go. This is the walkway. Clothes over here, little bench here. I think this is connected to the room next door, but we don't have the room next door, so obviously they've locked it. In here, you've got the bathroom, toilet, sink. Sister's just done a poo, really smells. This is the shower, really stunning. Exactly the same, nice, big, spacious. We love to see it. Woo, turn around. Main bit of the room. 2 single beds. This is where my little sister sleeps, on this tiny little bed. Then my other little sister sleeps here, and then my mum sleeps over here. Then we have the balcony, which opens this way. Stunning little rectangle balcony, nice orange colour, very Moroccan vibes. 2 little chairs, table, ashtray, bish bash bosh. Obviously, like I said, over there is the toilet to the window to my toilet, so we can have a little chat from the balcony. And now I'm gonna go for lunch. See ya. Here we go. This is our first time on the slide.
Actually, if I lose this camera, I'm sorry. Right, how do I hold it? Like that? If I lose you, I'm sorry, okay? I can't. Right.
After a much needed nap and just like non-verbal time laying in bed, it is now time for dinner. I've just stepped outside because they are like using hair dryers and playing music and stuff. But this is my outfit. I got these little sliders. Let me just take this off. I got these little sliders from Primark for £10, and they're Velcro because I have really wide feet, like a fucking ogre, and so normally these sliders don't fit. But because these have Velcro on them, I can make them fit. It is still boiling hot. It's still 40 degrees and it's 7:30. But I don't know. It doesn't feel... I mean, it does feel really hot and I do kind of feel like I'm dying, but it doesn't feel like crazy. So we're going to go for dinner, and then there is some like in-hotel entertainment. I don't know if it's the animation team or if they get people from outside of the hotel to come in, but I'm really excited to go and check it out and have a look and a listen and maybe grab a drink, chill. I have been saying for such a long time that like I can't remember the last time I went on like a beach holiday, like a resort holiday where you just lay by the pool and chill. Normally when I'm traveling, as you know, it's usually adventures and going here and sightseeing here and doing this and running here. So this is much slower paced and it's very needed, and it's obviously only day, well technically it's day 2, but it's the first full day. It's just exactly what the doctor ordered, so I'm really looking forward to the rest of this week. But I'm going to go and double check on them and then head down for food soon, I hope, because I'm hungry. Right, while they're partying out there, burning off the last bit of their energy, I've come into the bathroom to brush my teeth. I'm really hoping, you know, like little kids get like a big burst of energy before they get really tired and go to sleep. That's what I'm hoping is happening outside, because I'm so tired I need to go to bed in the next like 2 minutes. But I am going to leave this video here, this little introduction into our family trip here in Marrakech. And next week's video I will be taking you along with me for the rest of what this holiday has in store. So I'm really excited, and I hope that you will join me next week for my video. So if you're not already subscribed, then please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Whilst you're there, I would love it if you would like and leave me a comment down below. It really helps boost my channel. And yeah, I am gonna brush my teeth and go to bed. I will see you next week in the rest of these crazy adventures, And as always, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you spending this time with me more than you know. And yeah, that's it. Good night.